What's up, everyone? Can you imagine a bike that looks like it stepped straight out of a science fiction movie, packs a screaming 3-cylinder engine, and features technology we usually only see in premium Japanese and European bikes costing tens of thousands of dollars? Yes, today we are talking about the all-new Zontes 703F. This isn't just an adventure bike, it's a Hexagonal Warrior that is currently causing a massive ripple in the mid-range segment. Its 97.2 horsepower beast of an engine and supercar-level electronics will leave you stunned. In today's video, we're going to find out why this bike is the biggest value-for-money deal on the market right now. Let's dive in. So first, let's talk about the design and build quality. First, let's talk about the looks. Usually, when we say ADV or adventure bike, we picture a design with a beak. But Zontes has taken a completely different path here. It doesn't look like a traditional ADV, it looks much more modern and mechanical. The bike uses a one-piece die-cast aluminum alloy frame that is visible from the outside, giving it a hardcore mechanical beauty. For the 2026 model, they've introduced two new color options, piano black gold and bright silver. Personally, I think the black gold version looks incredibly premium. And the headlight? You get symmetrical rectangular LED headlights with eyebrow-style daytime running lights on top. It gives you a unique identity on the road. You'll either love it or hate it, but you absolutely cannot ignore it. Now let's talk about the heart of the machine. The biggest attraction of the Zontes 703F is its 699cc inline 3-cylinder liquid-cooled engine. Now the question is, why 3 cylinders? It gives you that excellent low-end torque like a 2-cylinder engine, yet it maintains the high rev smoothness of a 4-cylinder engine. You get 97.2 horsepower from this engine, which is absolutely devastating for this category. And for the 2026 model, Zontes has optimized the gearbox ratios and added a bi-directional electronic quickshifter. This means you can now shift gears up and down smoothly without the clutch, making long rides much more effortless. And for the technology and safety. It features a German Continental electronic throttle and a 6-axis IMU. In simple terms, this bike knows exactly what angle it's leaning at. Because of that, you get cornering ABS, cornering TCS traction control. Usually, when you lean into a turn and hit the brakes, there's a risk of the wheels slipping. But this intelligent system understands the bike's position and controls the braking and power delivery accordingly. This is a safety feature we usually only see on very expensive European bikes. And for the hardware and handling, it's not just about the engine or tech. The hardware on the Zontes is top-notch too. They haven't used cheap parts here. You get Marzocchi fully adjustable upside-down forks at the front, and for stopping power, there are Brembo 4-piston calipers and dual floating discs. This combination gives you massive confidence on any road. Whether you are cruising on the highway or cornering on mountain roads, this bike stays under your control. But is it all perfect? No, nothing ever is. There are a few things about this bike you should keep in mind. First, the weight. The curb weight is around 237 kilo, which is quite heavy. If you're a new rider or riding through heavy traffic, handling this weight might be a bit of a challenge. Secondly, while it is an adventure bike, it's not a hardcore off-roader. It's primarily designed for long-distance touring and comfortable riding on paved roads. So if you're planning to head into deep mud or rocky terrain, you might want to think twice. So, what's the final word? The 2026 Zontes 703F has entered the market with a very aggressive strategy. They are following the add more, price down philosophy. This bike brings 3-cylinder power and high-end electronics within reach of the average rider. If you are someone who loves technology, prioritizes performance, and wants to break away from traditional designs for something different, this bike should be at the top of your list. But yes, before buying, definitely visit a showroom to check the seat height and weight for yourself. So, what do you think of today's update? Let me know in the comments.